Hi guys, today we are unboxing this. We buy this today and today we just got home. We wanted to show you guys. Here we go. And say hello to my sister. She's gonna join us today. Hello. Wow! Look at this. Hindi alay. So today we are gonna try this today. May mga ano ni? Crayons. This is crayons. And this is pencils, pastels, and other all pastel and colored pastel. And colored pencil. This is our ano ni gali? Painting. And this is our markers. And I wonder what this is and I wonder what that is, but don't worry. And this is eraser. This is the sharpener. This is the eraser. This is the pencil. And this as you can see. And that's it for the toy. And it comes with this today. It came with papers. Now we also buy this. We also buy stickers, so this is some stickers. We put it in our book. And this is mine. I'm just coloring one today. She has a whole book to color, but I have some more activities. Today, and I already finished one maze, but I also got to finish more. I only buy a little, because, yeah. Hindi ko kabalo. Dados. So, what do you like with your book? Ano yung mananamian? Castle and this and yes. Ano yung castle and the princess Okay, Maria. Now open it. Okay. Gingalan pag niya, iya Princess Maria. Princess Maria. Go. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. Bye!